Probably see here, hold on, here, all of this, taken everything off my wall, and I've absolutely destroyed the walls, and over here as well. Help me. Okay, clearly this is not the right paint, but close enough. However, on this side, you can't even tell. You can't even tell that I destroyed this wall. The end of an era. Goodbye, Hoxton room. I'm gonna miss you. Okay, okay, pose, and pose, and pose. Hey, wee. Okay, cute.
I wanted it. Well, you said how much it was.
Welcome to the house. We got Rory.
Is it a video?
It is a video. Wait, first we're gonna make the bed. It takes a village to make my room.
What, the bed?
No, because clearly, look at all of you guys helping me. Okay, let's get the boxes out of my bed first of all. Okay, so we need... Okay, we're gonna get the boxes. Those are pillows?
Yes.
What's this?
Lumber now. Oh, this is a duvet.
Oh, this is the duvet.
What's
no.
this then?
No, that's the duvet. One bag, no. We said 10 empty bags at least. Okay, let's just make the bed, yeah? I'm gonna be sweat.
With what covers?
Covers are here.
Oh.
Here, buttons. It's so bad. Wait, what kind of music is that?
Anything 2 years guaranteed. This is it.
Hey, quite gross. Crazy. £10 set. Maybe less. Guys, look how cute my bed is getting.
Shake it, shake it.
Hey guys, welcome to my MTV crib.
That was the camera. Guys, break over. Have you got another screwdriver?
Wait, bitch. Alright. dick in the background.
Make me a wholesome video.
I need to get out of this slump. Okay, the truth is, we managed to get a lot done yesterday. Like, we have a living space that actually looks livable now. I'll add in the before and the after picture of what we did because the before was not cute. Today I just woke up feeling kind of bleh, but I think it's because, you know, all the moving around, there's just like so much going on in my head, and also starting to get a bit sick, and the weather's not great, so you know, everything all at once. But I want to get out of this slump because I have shit to do. It is sometime in the afternoon and I'm getting ready now. So yeah, later today we're gonna go to IKEA to get a couple of things that we need for the house. Our friend Lucas is coming back today to help. I think now that everything is kind of coming together and like looking like a home and not like an empty box, it's motivating me, and like slowly I'm feeling happier and more excited. And I think like just I really want my room to look good because right now there's just like still a lot of stuff that I need to go through, and decoration wise, like it's really bland right now. Like I have a lot of stuff that I want to finish. My bed is looking really nice. I got some new bed sheets. I need to wash my hair honestly, so I might just do like a slick back. I haven't done that in a while. Okay. Guys, also look at our mirror, our bathroom mirror. Mirrors, plural, look at it. It's huge. We have a huge mirror in the shower. So we can see every single angle. And then we have this mirror here, which is also massive. I'm so happy.
So we went up to a mini trip to Tesco to see if they have it.
On our way to IKEA. And I'm cold and hungry. Oh, yeah. Isabel, say hi. You guys are like, I hate you.
I'm going to become a notable member of the vlog squad.
Yeah. Oh my god, could we take this and then I could just sit here and you could push the trolley?
Yeah.
I would love that.
And you guys get in.
I guess this.
Oh yeah.
Cute or no?
Sure.
Okay. We need another one. Should we get some kiss and scissors? These are cute. My stomach is crying. Ooh.
Oh yeah, fine.
I was thinking more like that. It's cute.
10 pounds.
It's probably gonna be the same price in like H&M home.
They feel nice.
Is that one nicer than? I want to see how see-through it is. Okay.
That's what I like about it.
It is really cute. Okay, I'm gonna get this one. Yay! This one. Sorry. Pretty cheap.
Oh dear.
Boom. Okay, done. I have the best job right now. Eh? Oh, there's a QR code. That works too. Hey guys. Alright, welcome back to the crib. We just arrived and we have put away a few of our things. I need to wash the glasses. That was just a quick little trip to get a couple of staple pieces, like things that we need in the kitchen. Still quite a lot of other stuff on our list of things that we need for the house, but this is a good beginning. My room though is still looking very bare. Like she's looking bare. I got a fitted sheet. Exciting. Just because I needed a second white one. And then I got these curtains. I was gonna go for green, but I decided to go for this just white one. I have a curtain rod arriving tomorrow, so I'm going to, like, basically I only want to use these blinds in the evening, like in the night when I go to sleep, because they're like blackout blinds. But during the day, like there's not much privacy outside of my window, like the whole world can see me, so it's looking very boring. I did put up this art piece today, this frame, which I think is nice, you know, the green with the red. I didn't realize that I was a red kind of gal, but I guess I'm kind of leaning into that this year. I was like, I want like this wine red for the bed sheets because it looks very like chic. I have a lot of stuff to finish doing in here, so I'm just gonna time lapse myself doing that. So enjoy watching. Let's get YouTube's
What
opinion.
should I do? Okay, well, YouTube's not right now, are they?
Yeah, I like it in the corner.
Like here?
Yeah, that's how I would do mine.
Does that feel right?
That feels right.
But this one we're really gonna lean into interior design and mood lighting, so come along.
Okay, you need to start your own channel. That is so jokes.
Okay, does that feel right?
I think so. That kind of works. Ish. Okay,
Guys, it's stupid.
This is the... Hey guys, it is Wednesday. No, it is Tuesday. It's Tuesday today. It is a bit late in the afternoon. I just got Amazon packages delivered. I had a really slow morning today. Woke up really tired and then eventually took a shower, washed my hair, and I'm feeling a bit better. But yeah, I just got some Amazon packages delivered, so we're gonna open them because most of them are for my room and then some of them is for the house, for me and the girls. So let's do a little unboxing. Okay. So we have my pillowcase that I bought. Okay, the color looks very different in real life. I think that might actually work though. We're gonna test this out. this, I believe, is for my window. I'm kind of scared because it's like a bit heavy. Basically, I have like no privacy out the window. So I got this tension rod because I'm not about to start making holes in this rented apartment, and I got some curtains yesterday in IKEA, and the plan is to put this inside, like behind the blinds. Okay, next. Let's see. Oh. Okay. I got a mattress topper because this isn't like a brand new mattress. It's not a brand new mattress that we received, so you know, I decided why not get a mattress topper, like a thick one, so that it improves the quality. It's gonna make my bed super high, but yeah, I wanted to test that out, so we're gonna do that later. I got us a rice cooker because there's no way I'm gonna live in a house without a rice cooker. Oh, I got this is the first time I found out how this thing is called, but basically it's a valance. I think that's how you say it. I don't know if you can tell in the picture. It's like a little skirt thing that you put underneath the mattress so it like hides the bottom of the bed, because I don't like how it looks. We only have like these 2 boxes under the bed, and it's good because it has like storage. Like it's got these 2 drawers on each side, which is really nice because I don't have as much storage in this house as I did in the last one. But it's ugly, so I wanted to get something that was in a similar color to my bed sheets, and we're going for the whole like wine red kind of vibe. I also got this like pendant lamp thing because we want to add that on top of our dining table in the dining section of our tiny house. I think it's going to be really helpful because right now I feel like the house is so dark. And yes, we did paint the light in the living room red because it was like bright white, and it's those kinds of LED lights that you can't change the color, so it's like we did what we could. I mean, we can always peel the paint off and just like try a different color later on if we don't want to keep this one. But I think adding a few more lamps to the house is going to be a lot better, because we also are not a fan of like overhead lighting. We prefer mood lighting, ambient lighting. So yeah. Also got myself some house slippers because I needed them and it's chilly. First thing is, let's put up these this curtain rod and the curtains, because like my room is already, as you can tell, it's getting really dark really fast, and I want to turn on my light without the whole world seeing me. Alright, I've got my curtains. there has been an improvement on my butt. It's definitely like way softer. I forgot that I have to get a mirror from this girl on Facebook Marketplace. I'm gonna get ready in 10 minutes and we're gonna head out to King's Cross, grab that mirror. My friend Lucas is helping me. You've seen him already on this video. And then I actually don't know where I'm gonna put it. I think I might want to put it here because I had my other mirror, but it looks really nice outside in the living room. I'm gonna go pee and we're gonna head out. I need to actually exit my room. I mean, look at this. I don't know how. So many things. What should I get? Maybe I'll get a matcha. Yeah, maybe I want this one.
Toes, look at my toes.
Wait, what?
My toes.
What's wrong with your toes?
Washing it, are you done?
Oh! Oh my god, I look like a rat. Were you just staring in the shower?
No.
And then let's go here. No, yeah.
What are you doing? Okay.
I'm so confused. I don't know. Sometimes you just gotta try stuff. When Carter and Lucas live together.